Hello traders, this is Rich Walden with breathingwiththemarkets.com. How you doing today? Today is December 23rd, 2024. Let's get it. The market was giving out loot all this morning, and there's a lot of traders not even in the market. I am sure they're on the sidelines. But if you know how to read a chart and you know how to trade, really trade, you're able to get in and get out and become profitable for the day. That is a fact. It's not about liquidity in the market. It's not about highs and lows. It's not about top-down analysis. It's about whether or not you know how to trade. Truly trade the market. The market is the charts. Can you truly trade the charts? None of this windfall shit, none of this stacking it up and trying to make bits and pieces here and there and getting lucky. Positive cash flow coming in every month from something that you're selling or for your stop loss. Can you start at zero every day? Can you trade the market? Can you wake up in the morning 30 minutes before the market opens, get your bias for the day, and then hit it hard? Got to ask yourself those questions. Or do you need to study all day and night? You need to study all day and night, you still need to level up. It's my opinion. I know how to truly trade that market and follow the market like glue. Let's get into it. Here we have Top Step X. As we can see up here on our left, the 50,000 Espresso account, the balance is still at $5,832. I did not trade that account because Top Step did not take out my 50% withdrawal request. We go down to this next $50,000 account. The next four are new accounts. This account today, I had $320 profit. The next one, $343 profit. The next one, $436 profit, and the final one, $346 profit. I also passed four combines. I needed some little bit of money in each of these combines. I passed at $34. Next one, $81. Next one, $4. Next one, $118. So I passed those four combines also. Those are ones from the other day where I needed a couple bucks or a few dollars on each account, and it's called, being in that area of don't make too much, don't make too little. You need to just make just the right amount of money in order to pass those combines. Once again, I am on Top Step. I am starting to enjoy trading with Top Step, and I'm going to continue through 2025 until I do not. And the only way I will not trade Top Step is if they give me a good damn reason not to. I am loyal to prop firms. I am loyal to brokerages until they give me a reason not to. I don't listen to what other people say. I don't care about the rules. I can trade the chart each and every day. And, if we talk about trading in general, just trading, someone says, oh, I'm a trader and I have a strategy. Okay. Very good. But there's so much room to grow. So just because someone has a strategy or they believe they have an edge in the market, that is different from trader to trader. Just because you think you have an edge in the market or you have a strategy, basically that is just a word. People talk about your edge. People talk about your strategy. That's a word. Can they literally trade the market? Truly trade the chart? 9.9% of them, I probably guarantee, cannot trade the chart. Truly trade the chart. I believe that because I can truly trade the chart. And what do I mean by that? Is I can literally navigate through the chart as it's printing candles and understand the movement of the chart and understand what the price is doing, where it's likely to go, and take executions and trades with the highest probability of a trade at that given point, based on objective gems that I see in the market. This is what I teach my mentees. After I'm done teaching a mentee, they can literally see everything come together and the puzzle is created. And once they have the pieces to the puzzle, it makes life in trading much easier. And then once you have the entire puzzle, then you go and practice each and every day exactly what I teach you. I don't teach you about having to pick a high or a low or just press a button. If you just press a button, you have a 50% chance of winning or losing. Bullshit. Time is a factor. How long are you in the market? How much money do you have? It's not a 50-50, traders. Don't be fooled. If it's that easy, it doesn't work. I'm telling you it doesn't work because I know how to trade the market. It doesn't work. It's not a 50-50 win or lose just by pressing a button. You have spreads. How much are you in? What platform are you on? Because I've been on a platform, E8 platform, and I remember sizing in 10, 15 contracts, and every time I pressed that button, I was down $1,200 every time I pushed that button. All of a sudden, I'm down $27,000 in a matter of seconds by pushing a button. And then I'm up $50,000 in so many seconds after that. That is not a 50-50 chance, traders. That market is moving. So pressing a button and having the spread and having size in the market is not going to get you a 50-50 win rate. Oh, but there's people out there and traders out there that call themselves traders, but they're actually gamblers that say just win more than you lose. Jeez, sounds like a good idea, huh? That's kind of like a no shit moment, right? Just win more than you lose. Damn, is that the game? Just win more than you lose? That sounds to me like somebody doesn't know what the fuck they're talking about. If you have the mentality and you're a professional athlete, do you think a coach is going to survive if he tells his team, a professional team, hey, all we have to do is win more than we lose? Are you going to be a fucking champion? Are you going to be a champion by just winning more than you lose? So you win 51% of the time? This is fucking gurus on YouTube channel. And they make all these videos. And they change their strategies often. And they were support and resistance traders. Then they went to DCA. And then they think that they're talking about scalping. They don't even know what the fucking scalping is. Scalping's not from a fucking 1 hour chart. Scalping's not from a 4 hour top down analysis. Scalpers are in the seconds and the minutes, and they're typically not even worried about a higher time frame. Those who can actually navigate through the chart, because I know I'm not the only one that can do it, but I can see who can do it and who cannot do it. That's a fact. I can see who can actually navigate through the chart or not. I listen to them talk just by the way they talk. And I'll give you an example, traders. Listen. Use logic. You're being fooled on the internet. I am here giving back to a community. And those who come into my program are going to learn how to fucking trade. Trader. Doesn't say fucking gambler. I wear this hat for a reason. It's a trader. Someone who could fucking trade the market. The bottom line is, you're getting fooled by cards and watches. And people talk about a multi-million-dollar trader. Have them post their shit. Don't need to know the strategy. Have them go to a prop firm. Have them go to a firm that has challenges. Have them go there. There are some good traders out there. I'm going to say it again. There are some good traders out there. And they know who they are. And they know I'm not talking about them. And no, they don't have 2 or 3 fucking months a year down. You can either trade the market or you can't trade the market. I don't know anyone personally other than a fucking guru on YouTube who can't fucking trade, who claims they might have a couple months, 2 or 3 months negative. Ask yourself this. If you truly know how to trade, why would you have a 2 or 3 month problem with your P&L? A strategy and a true edge in the market works. It fucking works. There is no hypothetical. A true edge in the market works. That's why you have like SMB Capital, all these traders. They have a strategy, an edge in the market. They're professional traders. They don't have fucking 2 and 3 month downturns in their P&L. When their edge presents, they take it. No, I'm not into fundamentals and shit like that. And I see how they trade, but I know I cannot be the only one that knows how to follow the market like glue. But I teach my mentees how, and they truly love it. I have comments like that. All comes together. They are happy. We meet from all different parts of the world. And if I could change one life at a time, I've done my part. I am not here to compare myself to others. I'm not here to say I'm the best trader in the world. I'm not here to say I have the most money in the world, because I believe none of that is true. But I do have a skill that is almost second to none. I don't know where that lies, but I work on it each and every day. I don't listen to the hype about It's the holidays. It's actually December 23rd, 2024. And I'm in the market and I got some loot and I got out. Numerous traders, numerous people on YouTube, numerous huge influencers. I see them talking all the time, all about this liquidity. All right, when the market's dead, it's dead. But that's not why you fail or succeed. It's just about time. How much time it's going to take you to be in that market for the edge that you have. Or if you're gambling, the majority of them are gambling your money. And yes, your money. Because as it's coming in, they're actually gambling that as a stop loss because they have no edge. I've taken many, many, many courses. I paid 5, 10,000, 7,000 for one course. What did I learn? Not my edge. Names, ways to approach a market, 3 to 1. None of that's going to get you profitable. An edge in the market is the only way to become profitable day in and day out. And I didn't say 100% of the time, but if you're talking about the highest probability of trades, and you have the correct sizing based on your experience level, you will continue to grow each and every day. That's what's most important, is to grow each and every day. And if I show you something that's in the market and I explain what price is doing, and then I explain what to look for after what price is doing, and that continues to happen over and over again at different times of the day, different time frames, that's a true edge in the market. If you can see the chart objectively in a methodical way and build upon your skill daily, each and every day, and become better and better, your eyes don't lie to you. I cannot fool someone by explaining the chart. I explain the chart and I say, this is what we're going to look for. And I do something on the chart without any pair. I don't care what it is. And all of a sudden, exactly what I said that we're looking for is there. How does that happen? Luck? No. Fucking knowledge in the market. Luck is not going to get you anywhere. I'm not here selling shit. I'm here telling you that I can navigate through that chart like most that cannot. That's a fact. There are people out there. I love to learn. When I see a scalper that has a skill, straight up tell them, you got a skill. Trader, straight up. No problems with that. But what I do have a problem with is when we have so many traders out there trying to learn and putting their hard-earned money on the table, and these gurus don't know what the fuck they're doing. And that's not my problem. That can be your problem if you sign up with them. You need to really think about who you're following. Is it a gambler? Is it someone that continues to change their strategies? You don't think I can get on here and say, oh, I'm going to teach you how to do support and resistance today. Oh, I'm going to teach you how to do a 2050 crossover today. Oh, I'm going to teach you how to do Hakanashi candles today. Oh, I'm going to teach you. Those guys are not fucking traders. Those guys are giving you a bait. Watch the channel. I don't teach on YouTube for a reason, because I value my knowledge. I value what I know in the market, and I'm changing lives one at a time. If you want to know how I trade on a daily basis, navigating through the market, go to breathingwiththemarkets.com. Peace, traders.